Okay, so today we're going to do a really simple problem in which we will have to regroup. And so I have 224 minus 156. And as you see, I have them represented with manipulatives, base 10 manipulatives. So for 224, I have my 200s, which is represented by the 2 here in the hundreds place. I have my 2 10s, which is represented here by the 2 in the tens place. And I have my 4 1s, which is represented here by 4 in the ones place. Minus 156, which I have represented by this 1 in the hundreds place, and I have the 100 right here to show it. 50, 5 10s, which is represented right here, and 6 1s, which is represented right here in the ones place. So we can go ahead and start. Now I look at the menu end and I see that the numbers in the subtrahend are larger. I cannot take 6 from 4, and I cannot take 5 from 2, so I'm going to have to regroup. So first of all, obviously I'm going to have to take from the hundreds place. I'm going to take 100, and since I'm going to need this broken down, I'm going to trade it out for 10 sets of 10, because that is exactly what this is. This is 10 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Each of these is 10 up and down, and we have 10 of them all together. So I'm going to trade this out for 10 sets of 10. So I already have 2 10s here. I'm going to turn them down so you can see the 2 that were already there. Add my 10 new 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 10 plus 2. Now I have 12 10s in the tens place. So I'm left with 100 in the hundreds place. I have 100 left, so I'm going to put a 1 here to represent that. And I have 12 10s in the tens place. But we cannot take 6 from 4, so we need to regroup again. We need to send a set of 10 over to the ones place. So I'll slash this 12. I won't have 12 10s now, I'll have 11 10s. So I'll write this right above it. I have 11 10s. I'm going to send a 10 over to the ones place. Now I have 10 plus 4. And you know what, I'm going to trade that 10 out for 10 ones, because I feel like I'm going to need to break that down. So I'm going to trade that 10 for 10 ones. So let's trade. Give me this 10 and I put up 10 ones. 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 plus 4, which is 14 ones in the ones place. So just to be clear, I have 1 set of hundreds in the ones in the hundreds place, 1 set of 100. I have 11 sets of 10 in the tens place. I have 14 ones in the ones place. Now I can do my subtraction. So I'll do 14 minus 6. Okay, so I have 14. I'm going to take 6 away. So if I take 14 from my 6 up here, so let's see, taking away 4, taking away 2 more, so that's 6 taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm left with 8. And I have 11 10s. I'm going to take away 5. Get this subtraction out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took away 5 sets of 10. So now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 100 minus 100. So if I have 100 and I take away 100, I'm left with 0 hundredths in the hundredths place. So what I should have left, I should have 0 in the hundredths place. I should have 6 in the tens place. I should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the ones place. And let's go back and check our work. Let's add really quickly to double check, because addition is the inverse of subtraction. 156 plus 68. 6 plus 8 is 14. Bring my 1 up here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. My 1 up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 224. So we added our difference and our subtrahend, and we got our minuend. So our work was correct.